Welcome back, future medicos. Medical Counseling Committee, that is MCC, has released the schedule for online counseling for the year 2020. So we are going to look at the schedule for the admission done by MCC in this video. MCC conducts counseling for the 15% All India quota, that is mainly the government colleges surrendered by state governments to MCC. Then the deemed universities, central universities, AIMS, JIPMER, ESIC, and AFMC seats for the year 2020. So let's look at the schedule for counseling. So the first round registration, okay, so the registration actually going to start from 27th October and you can register until 2nd November 2020. So the registration is going to start in about 4 or 5 days. So it's going to start on 27th October and you are allowed to register until 2nd November 2020 up to 5 p.m. Okay, by 5 p.m. the registration facility will close. However, the payment, okay, you need to make a payment for registration as well as there is a security deposit. You need to make a payment. The payment facility will be open until 2nd November 7 p.m. So until 5 p.m. you can register. However, you are given another 2 hours to make the payment. So don't wait until the last minute. Try to register as early as possible. So 27th October to 2nd November is the registration. And the choice filling. So once you finish the registration, you can start filling the choices of colleges. Which college do you want? Which is your preferred college? Which is your second college? Which is your third college? Right? So you can start filling the colleges which you want to get in the counseling. So this choice filling option will start from 28th October. So once your registration starts from 27 October, whoever has finished the registration can go ahead and start doing the choice filling. And for choice filling, you have time from 28th October once again until 2nd November. But now the choice filling is available until 11:59 p.m. on 2nd November. So you can continue to fill, select choices, change choices. If you have change of mind, you can make some changes. So once again, try to come out with a list now itself. And then once the option opens, you can straight away start filling the choices and then put number 1, number 2, number 3. And sometimes people ask, how many choices can I fill? You can fill as many choices you want. You can fill 200 colleges, 250 colleges, whatever the number of colleges available, you can put all of them in your choices. So the choice filling in first round is available from 28th October to 2nd November until 11:59 p.m. And then choice locking. What is choice locking? That means once you have selected the choices, normally you can save the choices. So straight away, don't submit the choices. The first day, if you are selecting choices, you can save it. In case second day or third day, you have change of mind, you want to change some colleges, maybe the college that is at the third place, you want to move it to the second place, then you can still do it if you are only saving it. Okay, so as you start filling the choices, start saving every time as you log out. And then the choice locking, that is submitting the choices, the option will start from 4 p.m. on 2nd November and it will be available until 11:59 p.m. on 2nd November. Okay, anyway, this is not something you need to worry about because as long as you have saved the choices, automatically the system will lock your choices by 11:59 p.m. on 2nd November. Even if you don't lock it, the system will automatically lock. But the only thing, you need to save the choices. And once the choice locking, once the choice filling, the deadline is over on 2nd November, MCC will take 2 days to process. That is, they will take 3rd November and 4th November to process. And then they will publish the result on 5th November 2020. So on 5th November, we will know who has got a seat, who has not got a seat in All India Counseling. So we will know exactly, MCC will publish a PDF document. You can download and see exactly what rank has got which college. and you can search by your rank and see whether you have got a college. So it's very simple. On 5th November, all of us will know who all got the seats and what is the cutoff rank by category wise. We all will know. And once you get a seat, you will be given 7 days. Okay. You will be given 7 days, that is from 6th November to 12th November. From 6th November to 12th November, you are given time to go and join the college. You need to go and report the college. So 5th November, we will know the result. From 6th November to 12th November, you need to go and report to the college, submit the original certificates, pay the tuition fees, and then whatever necessary admission procedures you need to follow. By 12th November, if you have not reported to the college, that means you are not interested in the college and your seat will automatically be considered as cancelled. Okay, so that's it for first round. So the first round starts on 27th October and then it goes until 12th November 2020. And after this, after the 12th November, what happens is the state government first round counseling will start, or even from 5th November, the state government first round counseling will start. And once the first round state government completes, more or less around that time, the second round counseling for MCC will start. That is, the registration will start from 18th November for those candidates who have not registered before. Say, for example, you have not registered in the first round. Now you want to fresh registration. Then the registration will be available for you from 18th November onwards until 22nd November, 3 p.m. you can register. If you have already registered during first round, then you do not need to register again. For those who have not registered in first round, this is another opportunity for you to register. And the payment facility, once again, will be available until 5 p.m. on 22nd November. That is 2 more hours is available for you to make the payment. So if you have not registered before, you can register fresh on 18th November to 22nd November during the second round. And then the choice locking, again, the choice selection and choice locking will be available from 19th November to 22nd November. This is for second round. So whether if you don't have a college already, then you can participate here. Even if you have a college already, you can try to upgrade from that college to a new college. So anybody can participate in second round. There is no problem. Even if you have got a seat in first round, and if you have not joined, you can again participate in second round. And then the choice locking again will happen from 3 p.m. of 22nd November until 11:59 p.m. of 22nd November. So by 11:59 p.m. on 22nd November, the second round choices will be locked. And then MCC will take 2 days to process. They will be taking 23rd November and 24th November to process. And then the result of second round counseling will be published on 25th November 2020. Okay, so you will get the result for second round counseling on 25th November 2020. And then again 7 days time will be given for people to join the colleges, that is from 26th November to 2nd December 2020. So this is the time is very important. If you don't want to join the college, you can exit, but there will be a penalty. Whatever the security amount you have paid, you will lose it. You will not get the security refunded to you. However, if you decide to join the college, let's say from 26th November to 2nd December, you have joined a college, that becomes your final college. You cannot participate in any further counseling. You cannot participate in the state counseling. You cannot participate in the All India counseling. Basically, your year is over. You have to stick to that college. And those who have joined in the first round, if you want to quit, there will be a time given and you need to quit by that time. Okay, if you quit by that time, then you can participate in further counseling. But if you don't quit by that time and you stay with the college even at the end of second round, then that means your college is also locked. You cannot upgrade anymore. Then what happens in case at the end of 2nd December? Again, some candidates have not joined. They have got the allotment, but they have not joined. Then there will be certain vacancies in the All India Counseling. The vacant seats will be surrendered to respective state governments. That is the All India quota, not the deemed universities. This is only for the state government colleges. Whatever the vacant seats will be surrendered back to the state governments. In case, for example, if Karnataka, there are certain vacancies in Karnataka government colleges, then the MCC, what it will do, it will surrender the seats to Karnataka state government. And then Karnataka state government will include those seats into their counseling and then will allot the seat. And when this surrendering happens, the surrendering happens on 3rd December 2020 for 15% All India quota seats. The last round, that is the mop-up round. This mop-up round is only for central universities, deemed universities, ESIC colleges, AIMS and JIPMER. Now, when the mop-up round starts, the mop-up round starts on 10th December 2020. That is registration for mop-up round, and it goes on until 14th December 2020 till 3 p.m. Once again, if somebody has not registered in round 1 or round 2, they can still register fresh for mop-up round. That is the time given, 10th December to 14th December. In case if you have got a seat in second round, but you have exited the college, okay, you have not accepted the college which is allotted in second round, that means you have already lost your security deposit. Then you also have to register fresh if you want to join the mop-up round. You will not be allowed to join without a fresh registration because your security deposit has gone. You need to pay a fresh security deposit. In case if you have paid 2 lakhs for a deemed university counseling and you have not taken a seat given to you in second round, that means you have lost 2 lakhs. Now you need to pay another 2 lakhs to participate in the mop-up round. So be careful when you are selecting your choices. Be clear with your mind. Now, once again, there will be 2 hours given in addition for making the payment of the fees until 5 p.m. of 14th December 2020. And then the choice filling will start from 11th December and it will go until 14th December until 11:59 p.m. So you can fill the choices, and the choice locking starts from 3 p.m. and it goes on until 11:59 p.m. of 14th December. Once again, MCC will take 2 days to process, that is 15 December and 16 December. And the results will be available on 17th December 2020. And once again, 7 days time will be given for candidates to join the colleges, that is from 18th December to 24th December. Once again, if some candidates don't join by 24th December, what happens? Those seats will be converted to stray vacancy. MCC will surrender all these seats back to the respective colleges. And then there will be a stray vacancy round that will be happening from 28th December to 31st December. From 28th December to 31st December, there will be a stray vacancy round. What is stray vacancy round? This round happens at individual colleges. You need to apply to each and every college separately if you are interested. Say, for example, if you are interested in Sri Ramachandra Porur, or if you are interested in KMC Manipal, if you are interested in Manipal Tata Jamshedpur, then you need to apply to individual colleges. You need to look for notification from individual colleges, apply to those colleges and participate in the stray vacancy round that happens in those 4 days, 28th December to 31st December 2020. And the admissions, all admissions for the year is expected to close by 31st December 2020 for MBBS. BDS, maybe there may be further relaxation, but generally MBBS admissions will close by 31st December 2020. Nobody can join from 1st January 2021 for this academic year. Okay, so this is the schedule provided by MCC in their website. If you are interested in this, you can go ahead and check this schedule and make yourself comfortable, understand each and every step so that you are clear about your choices. I hope I've given you a clear feedback about this schedule. If you still have any doubts, please leave your comment in the section. I will get back to you. Thank you very much. I hope to see you in some other video soon. Until then, take care. Bye bye.